Tonight on Ghost Host Kitchen, we are going to make a lovely little Easter treat called Bunny Munch. Bunny Munch is a very versatile recipe that is made with popcorn. You're going to start with 10 cups of popcorn, and believe me, that is a lot of popcorn, but it goes faster than you might think when you start eating this stuff. I just made mine by popping it in the microwave. Add to that popcorn 3/4 cups of almonds. You can use any nut here. I like almonds, but if you prefer walnuts or pecans or cashews, feel free to substitute. This is a very, very versatile recipe. You can customize it any way that you like. After you set that aside, we're going to do our caramel sauce. Now, this caramel sauce doesn't require any heavy cream, but it does require 1/2 cup of butter. You're also going to use 2 sugars for this one. You're going to use a cup of granulated sugar, as well as 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Also, you're going to use 1/4 cup of corn syrup. Little trick, if you spray your measuring cup with some baking or cooking spray, the corn syrup will not stick to your measuring cup and it will flow right out. So you're just going to heat that over medium heat. Keep stirring it. You're going to stir it till it all melts. We're going to play this in fast forward a little bit just so you can see. As it all melts, you can see we're stirring it almost constantly. It has a lovely brown color to it. Once you've gotten everything melted, continue stirring until it starts to boil. You want it to boil. You don't want it to boil too much, but once it starts to boil, you just go ahead, turn that heat off. Just turn it off. It doesn't need heat anymore. Now into that caramel sauce, you're going to pour a 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And you're going to stir that in. The funny thing is that as you do this, the baking soda will help make that caramel sauce swell, give it kind of a foamy look. After that, you're going to take your caramel sauce and pour it over your popcorn. Now, one thing that we did was we kept our popcorn in the oven so that it didn't get cold. While we're sitting here flipping this popcorn and mixing it, I'd like to invite you to subscribe if you want to see future videos like this. Alright, now that popcorn is going to go into the oven at 250 degrees for 45 minutes, and you're going to turn it every 15. Once it comes out though, you're going to put 1/2 cup of crushed chocolate eggs on top of it, and 1/3 cup of pastel M&Ms. We're going heavy on the chocolate here. You can also add things like pretzels to it, if you like. Then to top it off, we're going to put about 1/4 cup or 2 ounces of dark chocolate. Just heated this up in a bowl, melted it, and there you have it, our Bunny Munch. Thank you for watching. See you next time.